The advantage of BRIC is that we have all these labs and expertise in one geographical location, which we've not had before. And the aim of the Motor Control Lab, with regards to its research, is not just to try and understand how we control movement, both in healthy people and in neurological populations, but also to really understand how actions, complex actions, goal-directed actions, are affected by the environment and are affected by interacting with the environment. And so to do this, we've developed a lab which allows us to record whole body movements such as balance, walking, upper limb function, and we can record them in more naturalistic settings than are usually done. So behind me you can see a lab which has an integrated, instrumented treadmill which can record forces through 2 split belts. The treadmill itself can move up and down as if you're going up and down a hill or on a camber. And you can integrate the treadmill with large visual scenes in front to give that immersive experience of someone walking in the environment. And we can measure the response to different sensory stimuli, be they visual, vestibular, proprioceptive or cutaneous stimuli. And we can measure these responses by using 3D motion analysis systems, which are recording through the cameras shown on the gantry ahead. And we can also integrate in other types of sensors such as electromyography to record muscle activity, electroencephalography to record brain activity, and also eye movement recordings. And this integration of multiple ways of recording movement and neural activity, of course, will involve inputs from other members of the BRIC community and other labs. The aim of this lab is to continue on the work that we've already started, being successful in both commercial and in research council grants. And the novel part of this lab is that we can undertake basic science here, but we can also be a site for the translation of that basic science into clinical trials and straight into clinical practice. So the future for this lab is to integrate both the research and the clinical pathways and activity.